Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something that's super relevant in 2025. How to withdraw your Bitcoin from Revolut to Bitmart. With the crypto market more dynamic than ever, knowing how to move your assets securely is a game changer. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just diversify, this step-by-step guide will get you there quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Revolut and Bitmart. In 2025, Revolut has streamlined its crypto features with enhanced security, so start by logging into your Revolut app. Head over to the Crypto section. It's right at the top for easy access. Check your Bitcoin balance to ensure you have enough to withdraw, remembering to account for any transaction fees that might apply. Next, initiate the withdrawal. Tap on your Bitcoin holdings, select Withdraw or Transfer Out, and you'll be prompted to enter a wallet address. Now, switch to your Bitmart account. Log in, go to your dashboard, and navigate to the Deposit section. There, generate a new Bitcoin deposit address. Bitmart's 2025 updates make this super intuitive with QR codes and auto verification. Copy that Bitmart address carefully and paste it back into Revolut. Double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Set the amount you want to transfer, review the fees. Expect them to be lower in 2025 due to improved blockchain tech, and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification from Revolut almost instantly. Once the transfer is initiated, keep an eye on your Bitmart account. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. When it arrives, you'll see your Bitcoin balance updated. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security in this fast-paced crypto world. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your Bitcoin from Revolut to Bitmart. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and happy trading. See you in the next one.